Shoe hacks! Okay, we got some shoes coming out of the sand. What are we doing? Is that man okay? Like, if I found shoes in the middle of the sand, I'd probably check on the person before I would do whatever this guy's doing, but that's alright. Okay, dishwashing liquid. Got some toothbrush action going on here. Okay, those shoes look like they've been through some troubles. Okay, we're pulling them off, leaving behind the feet. Yep. Yeah, that guy's fine. He's probably okay. Okay, that's kind of a cool trick. You hang them by the laces, pull them out of the washer, and then outside where anyone can take them. Alright, pretty good. That's an abomination. Okay, those are just gonna slide right off after like 5 seconds. Okay, yeah. It's a good hack, it's a good hack, I like it. Alright, so whoa, we're stuck on the pedals here. Okay, chop, chop, chop. Pull those out, and now we got, whoa, what the heck is that? I've never seen those before, they look like alien devices. Okay. Pretty good. We're putting them in a Ziploc bag. Why are we putting them in a Ziploc bag with water? Why would you do that? Now it's still full of water, most likely. Oh, okay, I misunderstood. Now we got a Cinderella situation going on here, but she's the wrong lady for you, man. So let's make her the right one. Okay, we got it's like a planter, or like some kind of kitchen device. Taking out our milk. Cutting it all up, and then what? That doesn't seem very stable at all, but okay. I'm not judging. This is the weirdest shoe I've ever seen, I think. And I've seen some weird shoes. Okay, pull this out. Alginate it. Flop it down, and now we have our mold. Okay, cut that up. This looks I mean, I gotta be honest, I kind of want to put that in my mouth, but not the banana. Pause. Okay. What is happening? I don't even get the point of any of this. What? Break that CD up? That was Britney Spears. Why would you do that? Okay. Sprinkle on some glitter. CD. This so far I am not seeing a shoe, I am seeing an abomination, but into the tub we go. Pour in some epoxy, which is classic. This is so I don't even know if this is gonna be a shoe by the end. This looks like a first grade science project, you know, like arts and crafts gone wrong. Okay, leave it for some time to dry up. Okay, now we have the whatever that is. I'm really interested to see where this goes. Oh, you can still eat it probably, right? No, I wouldn't. Anyway. UV resin. What is the point? This looks so far horrible. Horrible, horrible. I haven't changed my opinion yet. Still waiting on that. Yeah, I'm rooting for them. I hope it goes better, but this so far it's something. Now we're gonna polish it. Are we sure we're ready for that? I feel like we have a few more steps to do before we're ready for the polishing part. Maybe the throwing it away part. I don't think it looks like that. What? Okay, first of all, it's gonna have a little rough edges all over the place that are gonna like give you blisters and cut your feet, so I wouldn't recommend it anyway. Okay, that's a dusty foot.
Bring on the feet.
What have you been doing with that foot? Okay, okay. So
Alright. Action happening
put
here.
your socks over your shoes.
Ah, spider.
Get out of here!
Whoa, that's a lot of Where did
Kill,
that come from? It's her arsenal of weapons.
Dodge this, spider! Now the spider
Look
can't get
at
up there
that.
because spiders can't
Dude,
climb.
Oh, spiders can't climb.
No, they
Ooh,
can't.
that
It's
looks
just
like
a weak spider.
Oh man.
Oh, those toes look messed up, dude.
Oof. That's how you do it.
That looks like it would chafe.
Yes, and sweat and
Yeah.
everything.
Oh,
Okay,
beautiful.
that's kind of cool.
That's kind of ugly.
Maybe I should do it. You know, here just paint a little. Just so it looks like my fingernail.
Yeah.
What is the story behind this?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, I was doing this mad science experiment,
Yeah.
and it bit me in the finger.
It bit
What?
you.
It bit me in the
You
finger.
created life. Okay. Anyway,
Okay,
moving
yeah,
on.
that's
That's
what is this? Shoe?
It's. I guess
Shoe
it's
without
shoe.
the what?
That's
That's
kind of kinky.
it,
I don't know, like
it's kind
Did
of
you
cool.
see it? It was a commodity. Okay.
that's cool. That was cool.
Whatever.
Resin.
Ah.
Resin lipstick. That looks like she really nice.
What?
Did she just have a case of the D dripping down?
Get out! Dog.
Waterproof shoes. Okay, that's pretty handy
I
there.
hope that brush is clean.
That's the same one I use for my toilet.
Comment for the car as well.
Yeah, for the car,
Oh gosh.
for my dishwashing.
Okay.
I wouldn't do it.
Don't shave
Ah,
your feet.
that
I
kinda-
feel it.
It's a cringy, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah,
a bit cringy.
shaving skin is probably a no
Ugh.
for me.
Big no.
Yeah.
What's she gonna do?
Litter?
Litter that up. Woo. That's kind of cool, to be honest.
We'll
It's
see
pretty
later.
fresh.
You know, you buy
Wow.
some cheap shoes and then you just glitter them like that.
But all the
Looks
glitter's
nice.
gonna come off
Yeah,
always, so
yeah.
you're gonna leave a
Oh,
trail
wow.
of glitter. That means any stalker can just follow
You
you
can
with
find
your
you,
glitter.
yeah, at the end of the night, like Cinderella.
It's like Hansel and Gretel.
Ah, 2 in 1.
Stop!
Now we got some metal in a foot. Pour the metal in the foot, let it dry, pull it out, shake it off. Okay. So once we put these silicones in, we're gonna have a nice mold of a metal foot. Boom. What is it with 5-minute crafts and feet? Like every single video has like a million feet in them. Okay. Now, okay. I'm not judging, I'm just confused. So far this is looking like, they don't look bad, they just look like long boots. The bottoms are questionable, they kind of look like Duck Dodger's feet. Like Daffy Duck style going on. Okay, put that stuff all over there. Why are we, okay, we're cutting it off, so now it's full on Daffy Duck business going on here. Is that it? No, we got a wooden foot, okay. Probably owned by a woman named Peg. Sorry. Okay. Now we're wrapping through here. What is this tube? Is that a straw? Are you gonna drink through that thing? Okay. What are you injecting into my foot, sir? Please answer. Send reply, please. Alright, into the silicone. Are we making another mold? But what is happening? This is the weirdest thing. Those went from being okay to being kind of ugly. And they look... Yeah, those aren't good. I would give those maybe a 4 or 3 out of 10. One's a different color as well, so come on guys, attention to detail is important. No. Mm-mm. No matter how much you try to work it, it's not working. If she likes them, that's cool though. Like,
I wish her all the best at the beach. I guess they're waterproof, which is cool. Maybe that gives them an extra point for like functionality, but